Eureka المجلة العلمية لإذاعة الشباب.
I'm Marina Kouta. I work for the University of Patras, and we are partners in the Green Building project, which is funded by ENI CBC Med program. We in the university are responsible especially for the scientific part of the project. We will develop the electronic application for monitoring the buildings, the three buildings, which is under an energy renovation procedure. So we will develop the electronic application, and we will monitor the energy consumption of these buildings, and also we will be the leaders in the training programs of the building users in order to less consume energy while working in the buildings. Here specifically we have the hospital building, and we have two other buildings energy renovated. The one is in Greece, is in Sparta in the region of Peloponnese, and the one is in Jordan, and it is the municipality building of the Greater Irbit municipality. So we'll help in the training process, and the building users will have the chance to monitor the energy consumption and to get the tips on what to do in order to minimize their energy consumption while working. We already launched some videos with tips on what to do while working. Let's say that you cannot have open windows while working, and at the same time you have the air condition open. It is some spicy tips that will help the workers in minimizing the energy consumption. Here, specifically in the hospital building, we cannot do many things in terms of we have to use energy for some clinics within the building, but it fits better to the building users of the office buildings. And we have also some tips on the type of equipment that they are using while working. Let's say to take new equipment which is less consuming in order to have to do their work. Laptops instead of desktops, etc. It's a package of tips for them. Here we refurbish buildings, but we are working in parallel with them, with the building users, in order to give them some tips while we can see that they are over-consuming for some reasons, more than expected. Then we can give them some kind of tips. We have already produced these videos, but this will work real-time when developing the application. I cannot remember the buildings one by one because it's not in our responsibility. We are not making the energy renovation processes, but we're working in close collaboration with them. It's about 10,000 square meters per building. It's big buildings, three of them. It's the one is a municipality building, the main municipality building of the Greater Irbit municipality. The other one is a regional building of the regional unit of Laconia in the region of Peloponnese. And this is the hospital building, the Institute Mohamed El-Kassab of Orthopedics. This is also a big building. So you can understand the great areas of them.
Eureka المجلة العلمية لإذاعة الشباب.